Hi guys, thanks for clicking this video. The project is AD8307 0 Hz DC to 500 MHz frequency detector. This time I connect the project to the speaker to listen to the sound, and also this side is connected to the view meter or ammeter to show exactly analog activities over the view meter. Let's test the project. It is very easy. As you can see, at first I should adjust the view meter. The gauge is backside. Very good. At first I'm testing the device with this dual remote key. Yeah. Very good. I will calibrate or adjust the volume. Very good. At the start of the red line should be fine. Yeah, very good. I'm not sure that it's easy to listen the piezo sound or not. Very good. We can listen to sound, and also we are able to see the view meter active. Of course, with mobile phone and other radio device, we can check more activities, more change with the view meter. Thank you very much and goodbye.